Hello WordPress people. So this is the product update of Persona Verification. So if you don't know how the plugin works, you can watch out this page and here is the video. So in the new feature we have provided a setting where you can select pages so that selected pages people can access without verify to Persona. So let me go to my local host site and I have already activated the plugin Persona Verification and also it is up to date. So let's go to setting and here we can see that we provided this setting allowed pages. So you can select multiple pages over here. So I'm gonna select sample page. So whatever page you select, they don't need to verify to Persona to access this page. So let's save this setting and let me add the sample page to menu first and then I will log into normal user. So I'm gonna set sample page to main menu. Now I will go to user section. And I will switch to this basic user. So let's visit this site. So as we can see, this user is not verified, so it is redirected to the persona verification page. But let's say we go to sample page. So we see this page user can access because we selected this page to allow without persona verification. So yeah, this is the new update and this is the video guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.